Harbor seal. It's round and spotted. It loves sunbathing on rocks. It's shy but curious. Sea leopard. It has dark spots on its silver body. It's the top hunter in Antarctica. It eats penguins' ribbon eel. It's long and wavy. It changes color as it grows. It dances like a ribbon in the water. Frogfish. It's short and funny looking. It can walk on its fins. It pretends to be a sponge to catch prey. Stonefish. It looks like a rock. It's the most poisonous fish. It hides perfectly on the seabed. Scorpionfish. It's covered in spines. It blends in with coral. It waits patiently for prey to come close. Boxfish. It's shaped like a cube. It has bright dots and spots. It swims slowly but looks adorable. Cowfish. It has small horns on its head. It's yellow with blue spots. It can puff up when scared. Brittle star. It looks like a starfish with long, skinny arms. It moves quickly across sand. It hides under rocks. Basket star. It has curly, branching arms. It opens them like a net to catch food. It lives deep under the sea. Sea fan. It looks like a colorful fan. It sways gently with the waves. Tiny creatures live on it. Brain coral. It looks like a brain. It's hard and round. It helps build coral reefs. Black coral. It grows in deep water. It looks like dark trees. It's precious and slow growing. Fire coral. It looks soft but stings hard. It glows golden under sunlight. Fish avoid touching it. Tube worm. It lives inside a long tube. It pops out to eat tiny food. It lives near hot, deep sea vents. Feather star. It has feathery arms. It floats like a flower in the current. It catches food from passing water. Comb jelly. It shines rainbow colors when it moves. It's not a real jellyfish. It uses tiny hairs to swim.